Hello. What is up? And yes, it's us. We're back again. My name is we are my brother. I'm featuring the channel, and today we're doing Survivor Series. Hello.
Hi.
So we're actually gonna troll people and stuff.
What? What do you say?
Yeah. So this is the podium right here.
Let's start getting some wood.
What's always good?
Together.
Wood.
Get a wooden shovel and then get some sand.
My TNT, my brother's house. Don't talk that.
Kid, how do you do it? I'll see you. You're getting some sugar canes. I was gonna get some wood.
I'm gonna go sugar canes.
Wow. How much sugar canes do you have? 13. Okay. Not bad. Should we make a tree house?
I'm making a hobbit home.
Okay, what's this house? I want to make a mini, it's like a bit high.
I'm actually gonna TNT.
What?
Oh, nothing. Just
And also, this is a non-creative server, so we're not going to use any cheats or creative. So we're going to have to earn anything, redstone and others.
except for making a day.
What?
We can make a day sometimes. So this is our dirt podium to check our areas. So you need to when we have settled for our base, we need to put arrows on where our base is.
Yes,
We can visit it and we can troll. Because there's a lot of eggs here. Health bar is low. My brother tends to call it chicken bars. I don't know why.
Because it looks like chicken. I think I would call it meatballs.
No, it's chicken.
What is it?
Chickens. Alright. Chickens are hard to kill. Pigs are easy.
It's just like chickens keep on flying away and it's harder to hit. The rabbits are also very hard to hit, but it's so low health. I'm just plant this at the. I'm putting a piece at the sand place. Let's make a shovel.
You need to make a sign saying which direction is your house.
Yeah, and also a little hint is needlessly.
Dude, seriously, you have to tell us where it is.
I know, not yet. I didn't even make a house yet. Okay, I'm just gonna get some sand. Why are you keep it big? Okay, after this, I'm gonna come to the.
First thing first, you need some wood, and then we can go straight on stone tools.
Yeah, but on the first day, we don't really need stone tools. Or on the first day, we can already find iron.
Maybe so.
Well, that means we better be quick and fast. Usually, we have to get sheep. The 31. So, let me get wood.
Okay, because wood isn't.
I already got like.
Wood isn't the best thing, but still good.
I wanna waste my shovel pickaxe. No, I mean my shovel. My wooden shovel. I'm just gonna keep on getting sand. And then,
What? It's lacking.
oh my god. Ah!
Let me check my FPS. What? 16? Why is the FPS? Why am I? Oh my god, my FPS level is so bad.
Come on, my shovel broke. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, the reason why is I think I'm placing the blocks.
Ooh.
Yes.
Hey. Nice job. Can I get some swords? And let's kill
I'm actually gonna go straight to stone.
Just gonna go straight to stone. Ready? Gì nữa?
Oh, sorry, that was just like summoning and stuff. Who cares though? Who cares?
Gì nữa chờ?
No, I don't think we need those. Get some sticks.
Hey, why on my crafting table?
Hey,
Get
stop,
out.
stop sharing.
This is none of our crafting.
Stop, wait.
No sharing allowed. Get out. No, I want to kill you if you go close to me.
I mean, he won't even let me use this crafting table. What do you mean?
Hey, I heard you.
Nothing.
I have a wooden sword just in your face.
Sorry.
Let's put some piggies,
So sorry.
piggies, and lickies, and mushies, and cowies, and beefies, and rabbits. So, come on, you already made Stone Edge. I'm getting Stone Edge also. Ha! I got Stone Edge. I also got Stone Edge.
Well, I'm just getting for stone tools this episode.
Let's just get around 20.
We'll be doing a lot of off-camera work.
Yeah. Maybe next video we'll start making a base.
Today.
Hey!
Today we're just about collecting.
Yeah. So, we could just keep on mining until our wooden pickaxe dies.
Here we are.
Hey, stop getting up.
We are done.
We're not done. Hey, I saw you. I saw you going near my crafting table. And I do not allow that. Okay. Okay.
I was playing Fortnite a lot and don't see it that fun.
Yeah, and we may make an episode on Fortnite if you want to. So you better subscribe.
The videos will be around 8 to 10 minutes long because, yeah, we don't really do long
Ooh, an
videos.
apple. Yum, yum, yummy. Oh,
Let me
on,
get an
go
axe
there.
real quick.
Where are these little animals? I just found the one block of wood. I'm just gonna use that for like 4 planks.
Guys, this episode will be just about collecting. Next episode, it's bases.
Yeah.
We're gonna get our starter base up.
Ooh, yay! It's chicken land. I see some chicken and I see eggs, but I wanna kill this chicken. Stop laying eggs. I want all your eggs. Fine, I'm not gonna kill the chicken. I wanna kill the pig. Die, pig. Die, die, die. Ah, and 3 pork chops.
I think we have to end the
Chibi.
video right here.
Yes.
If you guys enjoy, just like our video and subscribe. I consider it will be worth it. So, you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.